good morning, my lovers. I forgot to do the intro, so we're doing it now. But we found some epic relics. Woohoo! Epic relics. Oh, I've just found something. It's got something written on it. It's a little box. What's that say? Whatever. Nail polishing stone. Nail polishing stone? Well, that must be the maker. Manufactured in England. Woohoo! It's a little box. Oh. There's no stone in there. Rub the stone on the moistened palm of the hand until enough something adheres. Then apply the nails with a light, rapid something, a blah blah blah.
There you go. I've all done better than I have done the last 5 days.
Matt's found something.
Yes, at last.
At last. You put his smaller coil back on. I said, put your smaller coil back on.
I did.
1861. Yeah, Queen Victoria.
Wow.
Lovely jubbly. We're off and running.
Yep. Thank you very much.
My little box. I was hoping for a gold coin in there, but no, just a little box.
Cute, eh?
I'm heading in the direction of where I found that Anglo-Saxon mount. Hanging mount. But so I thought I'd put the really small coil on. I'm not there yet, it's still a way off, but I've got a lovely signal just here. Oh, that could be silver. Oh, it's out. He thinks it's out. Yeah. Oh, what's that? There she blows! I got a coin! Methinks it's a coin. Hopefully not a pesky button. Oh, looks modern. Looks modernish. No, it's not modernish. It's a ship halfpenny. Woohoo! Ship halfpenny. 1959. After the war. There she blows. Good day to you, Mom. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I'm on fire with this little coil today. Just had another coin. Looks a bit slick. Right, I'll get this dry out a bit, give it a rub-a-dub-dub, and I'll get back to you. Oh, the sun's just starting to come up, and I've got an epic coin. You see that? The two heads facing right? That is William and Mary. So William of Orange and Mary, whoever she was. Queen of Scots? Don't know. Yeah, it's a 1697, I think. Lovely jubbly. And there's Britannia on the back. You can always tell because it's very tactile and smooth and a lovely feel. As soon as I picked it up, I thought this is an old one. Because this is one metal rather than it being plated. So that is a epic start to the day. The sun's just starting to come out. Oh, the day couldn't get any better. I just had that William and Mary, and now hammered! Woohoo! Hammered! Look how low this signal is. 1208. You've got to dig them foil signals. You have. Oh, glasses off. Oh yeah, look at that. Little tiny coin. Is it a penny? No, I think it's a bit small for a penny.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, it's some pretty good nick the backside.
That's stunning.
Look at that. Oh dear, Matt's on catch up now.
Again.
Oh, is his head round the wrong way? Lovely jubbly.
Fair play.
Oh, Matt's on the ancient relics.
Size of that.
Yeah, McConnell.
It's an iron paper airplane. Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
What signal that gave?
Oh, it was banging.
Yeah. You're finding hammies, and I'm finding
Cat.
keys. Yeah. Thanks.
Now, before anybody goes, oh my God, Clegg is on fire and he's beating the Knox hands down. I've been doing it for 5 years. He's been doing it for 6 months.
Yeah.
That's the real reason I'm finding more. Right, let's see if we can find some more epic relics. Oh, Matt's catching up. Matt's catching up. Hammered, and I just had this one. But this one looks much better. Right, let's get Neil down.
Oh, God. Frosty grind.
Dead frosty. Right, let's have a quick look at this one. Oh, you got your squeezy bottle? Oh, it's an oldish one.
There you go, sir.
Oh, it's not frozen.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wicked.
Right, that's... Oh, the sun's a bit low in the sky. Oh. That's better. Oh.
Wow.
It looks interesting, yeah. It's a it's cut half, definitely cut half. It's short, voided, long, short cross. Lovely jubbly.
Ooh, we are on fire.
I told him to put the smaller coil back on.
I told him to get out early.
He got me out here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Freezing it is. Lovely jubbly. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Right, what's this one? Not as good as a cut half. Right, I'll give this quick a rub on the magic trousers. Ooh. Could be another William. Could be. Let's have a quick rub. The Britannia is like a thin Britannia. Oh yeah, I think it is. See how the top of the head goes right up? Might be. Right, I'll give this a rubber dub and I'll get back to you. No, I think it's a George II. See Britannia. And there he is. Lovely jubbly, we're on fire now. We've just got here. I'm in the spot where I found the Saxon pendant. And I've just got something else that looks oldish. Looks like a cap that would go on top of a nut though. Oh, it's got a double layer. What's that then? Right, I'm going to get a little stick and I'll dig that out. Right, there it is. Don't know. It looks like a sort of a double layered thing. Right, on to the next. Tone's found a coin!
First of the day. Looks like a Vicky.
A Vicky. Oh yeah. Oh, get some better light on it. Yep, 1874.
Is it Vicky? I had my glasses on.
Yep, Bunhead farthing.
Ooh.
4 pence. Is it? Was that a quarter?
Quarter, yeah, quarter is a
quarter.
Quarter of a penny for
Quarter of a penny. Yeah, sorry.
Rather than halfpenny and a penny.
Yeah. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I thought this was going to be another hammy. It's a little tiny buckle. Still got his gubbins. little tiny buckle. Yep, just a little tiny buckle, about the thickness of my finger. Lovely jubbly. I got a musket ball and a beetle. Look, is it something? Oh look. Oh, I'm gonna have to put him down the hole. He looks a bit like he's been in hibernation or something. Oh, I reckon Tony's just found some silver. I reckon he's found a bit of silver. Looks like a silver watch winder. I don't think I've ever found a silver one before. Looks gilded. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I think I got another hammy. I think it's in here. Oh, it's raining. Pesky weather. It was lovely and sunny earlier. Now it's piddling down. Right, glasses off for this one. I can see an edge just in there. Oh, it's not a pesky button, is it? Oh, no, it might be a Roman actually. It might be a Roman coin. Right, I'll get this cleaned up and I'll get back to you. Don't know, it might be a Roman grot. It's definitely metal. I feel a lump. There's a slight lump in the middle. It might just be a Roman coin that's toasted. It's definitely metal, and it's a funny shape. Right, on to the next. Oh, Tone's machine's gone funny. It is raining. Is it?
Well, yeah, but I've had it in my pocket. So. And the headphones are the same as well, actually. When I just use it for the back phones, it's the same. So I guess it might be the coil.
What? Sealed unit. I wouldn't have thought the water had got in.
Well, I thought I had a bit of metal on the coil first of all.
Bizarre.
Any ideas?
No, I ain't got no idea. I ain't got a deus.
Anybody out there?
Yeah, anybody ideas what's going on here? Alright, it was raining, now it's starting to snow. I got a lovely signal in here. Oh, it's in here. Let's be spade over there. Oh, look at that. It's a pesky bottle top. Oh, that was giving me such a sweet signal. Oh no, it's not. It's a syringe top for when the animals. There'll be rubber in here, I expect. Piece of rubber. Oh yeah, it's rubber. So a vet's been on the field and he's been giving animals antibiotics or something. He's got the artefact of the day. Oh, you bugger.
Like that?
That's a snake bracelet.
Oh yeah.
Not snake bracelet, see it?
Oh yeah.
Snake buckle, I think.
Wow.
Look, you can see the head and there's the end. It's that's the artefact of the day.
Woo. Does that put me in first?
Whoa, I think we're tying.
Yeah.
Because you've had a half a hammy, I've had a full one. I
Yeah.
had the William the Third.
Oh yeah, and you had a ship penny, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, ship penny, what it was called?
Well, I've never had one of these. He's getting them on my fields. Pesky newbies. Oh, look at that.
That's lovely, isn't it?
That is lovely.
Thanks, mate.
Oh, you bugger. Oh, look what Tony's found. That is a winding screw off a flintlock rifle. Got a little hole there.
Well.
See the little hole? There's the hole. That's what gives it away. But that would have gone on with a little through Scotch thread. It would have been a bit longer, a bit with a thread on it. And that's what that is.
Well done, you. Hey, you know everything, don't you?
Yeah.
The oracle.
I thought it was a
I'm
bit
the
of
oracle.
the oracle.
Oh, this snow's getting worser. Won't be able to see me coil in a minute. But I just found this. Oh, lovely impression. Look at that. See Britannia and everything. Right, what we got on here? George V. Oh, a bit slimy. 1933. What's the date? Let's give it a quick rub on the magic trousers. We'll try to. 1912. Lovely patina. Right, on to the next. Oh, I got a coin. Just flipped out as I took the clot out. Good day to you, Mom. Slimy today. It was such a lovely day when we got here, now it's awful. 1862. Lovely jubbly. Oh, that's it, me lovers, we're off. Because we're not off, we're sort of gonna go off, but Tony's got to go home because his detector's gone a bit haywire. Right, so we're gonna carry on, me and Matt are gonna carry on detecting, and we'll see what else we can find. Cheers!
Cheers!